In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best cordless rotary hammer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best cordless rotary hammer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT 20-volt max 1-inch cordless rotary hammer. The DCH133B is built around a brushless motor, which delivers extended runtime, increased durability, and reduced maintenance compared to brushed alternatives. This motor, combined with the efficient SDS Plus system, allows it to drill and chip through tough materials with ease. With a no-load speed of up to 1,500 RPM, and jousting out up to 5,500 BPM, this hammer offers reliable impact energy for fast and consistent work. Its 1-inch capacity makes it suitable for most standard concrete and anchor drilling jobs. It's not the most powerful rotary hammer in DEWALT's lineup, but it hits the sweet spot for those who need pro-level strength in a more maneuverable package. The D-handle design provides excellent control and comfort, especially when drilling overhead or at awkward angles. It's well-balanced and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The build is rugged and solid, classic DEWALT quality, with a durable casing that can withstand job site abuse. Additionally, the rotary hammer has a mechanical clutch, which helps prevent gear damage by disengaging the gears when a bind-up occurs, a valuable safety and durability feature. Our second best cordless rotary hammer is Makita XRH04Z18V Lithium-Ion cordless 7/8-inch rotary hammer. In terms of performance, the XRH04Z features a 3-mode operation: rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammering only. This makes it extremely versatile whether you're drilling anchor holes, chipping tiles, or working on light demolition. With a no-load speed of 0 to 1,200 RPM and 0 to 4,000 BPM, it's quite capable of powering through tough surfaces. The 7/8-inch capacity with SDS Plus bits makes it suitable for a wide variety of tasks, although for heavy-duty commercial use, you might want to consider a 1-inch or higher capacity model. One of the standout features is its compatibility with Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system. If you already own Makita cordless tools, this tool-only option makes it a cost-effective way to expand your toolkit. The battery life is commendable, especially with higher amp-hour batteries like the 5.0 amp-hour pack. Runtime will vary depending on the task and materials, but for typical light to medium duty use, a single battery can last quite a while. One of the first things you'll notice is the solid build quality. Makita has a reputation for producing durable, contractor-grade tools, and the XRH04Z is no exception. It has a robust housing and an ergonomic handle design with a rubberized soft grip that makes it comfortable to use during longer jobs. Third pick in our list is Bosch 18V 1-inch cordless rotary hammer. Performance-wise, the tool doesn't disappoint. It features 3 modes of operation: drilling only, hammer drilling, and chiseling, providing maximum flexibility depending on the task. The kickback control and electronic precision control (EPC) systems are excellent safety features that help maintain control during binding or tough drilling jobs. These are especially useful for those working in awkward positions or overhead, adding confidence to every use. One of the major benefits is the 18-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery included in the kit. The battery delivers impressive runtime and is part of Bosch's core 18-volt battery system, meaning it can be swapped with other compatible Bosch tools. The fast charger is another plus, minimizing downtime and helping keep projects on schedule. Even though this kit is renewed, the battery and charger included function like new, with no noticeable reduction in performance. The Bosch GBH 18V-26DK15-RT18VEC brushless lithium-ion SDS Plus Bulldog 1-inch cordless rotary hammer kit for our renewed is an exceptional power tool that impresses with its performance, efficiency, and versatility. Number 4 in our side is Milwaukee M18 cordless D-handle rotary hammer. Durability is another strong point. As expected from Milwaukee, the build quality is rugged and meant for job site abuse. The casing feels solid, all moving parts are tight, and there's a general sense of quality that inspires confidence. It's built to last and clearly designed with the working professional in mind. One of the key advantages of this rotary hammer is its brushless motor, which delivers increased efficiency, longer runtime, and greater durability compared to traditional brushed motors. The power and torque are consistent, and you can feel the difference when working on tough materials like concrete or brick. It's rated for 1-inch SDS Plus bits, which is ideal for a wide range of applications, including anchor drilling, through-hole drilling, and even light chiseling. The M18 battery system is a major selling point for anyone already invested in Milwaukee tools. If you own other M18 tools, you can simply swap out the batteries as needed, which adds incredible convenience. While this particular model is tool only, battery and charger not included, pairing it with a Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium X C5.0 amp-hour battery delivers impressive runtime and performance, even during demanding tasks. Last in our best cordless rotary hammer list is Ryobi P22218 VSDS rotary hammer. Whether you're drilling holes for anchors or performing light chiseling tasks, the P222 can handle the job with ease. In terms of performance, the Ryobi P222 features 3 modes: rotary hammer, hammer only, and rotation only. This versatility allows you to adapt the tool to a wide variety of tasks, from standard drilling to heavy-duty concrete demolition. The hammering function delivers 1.5 joules of impact energy, which is sufficient for light to moderate applications. While it may not offer the same high-impact performance as higher-end models, it performs admirably for most household and light professional tasks like drilling small holes for wall anchors or taps. The tool is powered by Ryobi's 18-volt 1+ battery system, which is compatible with a wide range of other Ryobi tools. This system is a significant advantage for users who already own Ryobi tools, since they can simply swap batteries between devices. However, it's important to note that this particular model is sold as a tool-only unit, meaning the battery and charger are not included. If you are new to the Ryobi 1+ system, you'll need to purchase the battery and charger separately, but if you already own them, it's a great addition to your collection.